Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when you can't eject your external hard drive or USB on Windows 11 and 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to use. Once everything has booted up properly, you can begin troubleshooting this ejection problem. Now, to fix the issue where you can't eject your external hard drive or USB, start by directing your attention to your Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Look for the small upward-facing arrow icon, which is your Show Hidden Icons button. Click on this button to reveal additional system tray icons that are tucked away. This is exactly where the Eject External Hard Drive or USB option is located, and it's essential for safely removing your storage devices from your computer. Here's where the most common problem usually lies. If you're having trouble ejecting your hard drive or USB, the primary cause is typically that a file or folder within the hard drive is still open or being accessed by your system. This is actually a safety feature built into Windows to prevent data corruption or loss. When Windows detects that something on your drive is still in use, it blocks the ejection to protect your files. So if you've recently opened a folder or file that's stored within your external hard drive or USB, you'll need to close all running applications or folders that might be accessing that drive. Go through any open Windows, programs, or File Explorer tabs and close them completely. This includes things like documents, photos, videos, or even background applications that might be reading from or writing to your drive. Once you've closed everything, try ejecting again by clicking on that Show Hidden Icons button, finding your drive in the list, and selecting the Eject option. And that's it, you've successfully resolved the ejection issue and can now safely remove your external hard drive or USB from your Windows computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.